materials used in electronic gadgets. Some plastic compounds used to design different types of articles, plastic articles. The first is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. This plastic to design or to manufacture telephone handset, keyboard, monitors, computer housings. That is the design plastic articles. Epoxy resin, second, the epoxy resin used to prepare electrical components. Different types of electrical components available. Okay, electrical components means wire, plastic, cable wire, plastic wires, TV or telephone, radio, plastic chains, plastic cables. Some. That is the electrical components. So electrical plastic chairs, tables are not electrical because there is only plastic. Electrical components means and the electrical field, electronics use the current process used wire, fan, switches. That is the electrical components or epoxy resin. Phenol formaldehyde resin or bakelite. Phenol formaldehyde resin or bakelite. It is used fuse boxes, knob, switches, handles, and also right switches, switchboard, plugs. That is the to design by bakelite. Polycarbonate telephone parts. Polyethylene. Polyethylene. The first plastic polyethylene is cable, wire insulatings. Cables and wire insulators like cable wire, current wire, long size of wires, and pass of the current process, wire, dish wires, any etc. Any wire, the cables are prepared by polyethylene. Polymethyl methacrylate, it is also called PMMA. Okay, na? Wi-Fi leads or Wi-Fi windows on tape desk. That is the polymethyl methacrylate PMMA. Wi-Fi leads or Hi-Fi leads windows on tape desk. At the same time, some examples: polymethyl pentane. Polymethyl pentane also used to prepare circuit boards, microwave wheels. Polystyrenes. Polystyrenes used to prepare refrigerator trays, linings, TV cabins, the TV backside, television backside, plastic designs by polystyrene. Polytetrafluoroethylene or Teflon or PTFE. It called different names: polytetrafluoroethylene or Teflon or PTFE. That is used to design electrical motor parts. The next is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride used to design cable and wire insulatings, cable trunking. Next, the last, urea formaldehyde resin. So it is also thermosetting plastic like bakelite. It is used fuse boxes, knobs, switches. It is some plastic materials used, some plastic materials used to design different types of plastic articles or gadgets. Next, recycling of e-plastic waste. Recycling of e-plastic waste. Recycling of e-plastic waste. Recycling of e-plastic waste. How to recycling e-plastic waste? So unused plastic, waste plastics, based on this technology, main purpose is nowadays more plastic articles are used because the plastic articles are low cost, easily by all peoples, middle class or low class or high class. So that's why number of plastic articles are designed different types of materials. At the same time, TVs, radio, cell phone, different, all camera, etc. Any material nowadays, most of the use of plastic items, plastic compounds. So because only the example is low cost, easily designed, cannot easily design metals and steel because it is high boiling point. It is very difficult process to preparation of the steel items or metal items. Plastic it is easily molded, it is easily hard and easily cool, easily soft and hard by apply the temperature and the cooling process. So and also very low cost material. So nowadays many people have used more articles in home. So nowadays more plastic articles used and useless and dumping the waste material in our outside of the home or outside of the cities. There are more plastic items to increase in a country and increase the automatically pollutions. The pollution is damaging the environment. The pollution is affecting the environment. So that's why new technology improved how to recycling that waste materials. So 4 types of recycling techniques are available: primary recycling, secondary recycling, tertiary recycling, quaternary recycling. That is the 4 types: first, second, third, fourth. First is primary recycling, second is secondary recycling, third is tertiary recycling, the fourth is quaternary recycling. So what is the difference between first, second, third and fourth? Recycling means reuse. In case one plastic waste materials cannot, I can't use it. It is dumping in the outside of the home. The plastic items, how to use it. Next, on the thinking process, how to plastic items are reused or recycling. Some techniques are discovered. There is primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. So what is the primary recycling? So primary recycling means one plastic waste item like glass or bottles or any crack material, any crack or break plastic waste material or any damaged computer, keyboard, any etc. So how to reuse that waste or how to reuse. The primary recycling, in this process in this technology involve processing of waste into a product. Waste to product. The waste plastic, how to convert into product and how to reuse. But primary recycling process, the waste material to convert into product, but the product character is also similar to first waste material, first preparation process, how to which material that is. For example, that is the glass plastic characters properties similar to next preparation of the product. So waste to product prepared, but characters are same, similar characters. The secondary recycling, same characters, the first primary recycling, so same characters are available. That means 1% the plastic materials used, it is dumping the outside of the home. Same the plastic items, another persons, or in case that persons how to reuse another purpose. For example, one example is, in case in our house on bucket is available, in case used some days the bucket of plastic, the plastic bucket after some days, in case crack or hole or damage, there is dumping the outside of the room. But the plastic material cannot dumping out of the side. It is reused. How to reuse? It is used purpose of the small plants are growing purpose. Plant puts are designed. Some soil is put in the plastic buckets, and some seeds are put in the soil and to grow the small plants. So different purpose. One of the example is, so in case many examples are, many purposes are available. One plastic items reuse number of times. It is called primary recycling. It is the physical technology. In this process, cannot use any chemicals. So waste plastic characters, then after it is also reused product. So reused character is called product, which are both are the similar properties. The second process is secondary recycling. It involve processing of waste plastic into material, have different characters. The first is no change any chemicals, but second is to change the characters. For example, one plastic items low character, the reusing process, it is also to convert into high characters. How to convert high character, high properties? First waste is low property nature, low characters. By adding the chemicals, in the heating process, the molding process, recycling process, the plastic waste is apply the heat, it is converted into soft like a melt. After complete the melt, some add in the chemicals to improve the characters of waste plastics. The process is called secondary recycling. So the secondary recycling, the first waste character and the product character both are different. Why are different? Both are different because addition of some chemicals. That's why the secondary recycling process to involve the waste plastic into material having different characters. So in this process, by apply the heat, by adding the chemicals to improve the characters of waste plastic materials. Case 20 rupees water bottles I will buy the shops and you drink the water. The waste bottle is putting in the outside of the home or outside of the road. Same the water bottles are, number of waste water bottles are collected and transferred to plastic industries and apply the heat the all waste water bottles are mixing and convert into like a crude and soft. There is some chemicals are adding to create another item. For example, to create like a plastic tables and the plastic chairs or same water bottles, but character is different. The water bottle, 20 water bottles for example, put out the outside. The same 20 rupees water bottles are applied a heat and converted to soft and addition of the chemicals. It will to design 100 rupees of the water bottles. There is the secondary recycling. So the waste characters and the product character both are cannot similar, different, because addition of the chemical ingredients in the recycling process. Next, tertiary recycling. It involves production of base chemicals and fuels from segregated municipal waste. In the municipal waste, it contains number of plastic items, waste materials, because municipality department means in the village areas cannot municipality department, but some cities, mandal and big cities have a municipal corporation officers. The town population, more populations are present, more houses and buildings are available. So consuming cost is high. Peoples are in the village process. Village peoples have low category peoples, but cities businessmen are shops, buildings, industries are available. So number of waste materials are daily produced. The daily produced waste material put in the outside of the dumping areas. Which all waste materials are daily morning to collect the municipality department peoples. So that is called segregated municipal waste materials. Which waste materials used by aid of the some chemicals and fuels, to create different items. There is called tertiary recycling. Nowadays, this technology is very important and very popular technology, because nowadays waste materials are produced by the Indian population is very high. That's why the waste materials are cannot follow the primary recycling and secondary recycling. It follow the tertiary recycling. So nowadays 90% recycling process is tertiary recycling. In the process, to use chemicals and fuels. Okay, some waste are burning, some waste are separated. For example, electronic e-waste, for example, computer, keyboard, mouse, wire, there is the waste materials, damaged materials. In this, plastic and metals is also available. Initially, copper wire is available, the surrounding is plastic items is available. But it is easily soft. Why? Because it is easily converted to primary recycling, secondary recycling. Because it initially copper wire is available. It cannot easily soft. But the surface round of the plastic is easily soft. But initial line of the copper metal cannot soft. So that's why to use up the some chemicals. Which chemicals to separate the pure plastic and in a hard of the metal materials. So in the process, why? Because this process used only pure plastics are available, like a water bottles, plastic chairs, plastic buckets is damaged, it is recycling. You have supply the heat soft and remolded. But tertiary recycling why are nowadays popular? Because electronic e-waste is more produced nowadays, like the computer, cell phones, radio, TV, electronic items, switches, switchboard, bulb. All waste materials cannot presence of the only pure plastic. It presence of the plastic and also presence of the copper metals. So metal is easily cannot mold soft. So that's why in the tertiary recycling process, in the waste, metals and the plastics both are separated first. Metals separated and in the waste plastic is separated. Then after some chemicals added, some chemicals and fuels added. The metals are separate, the pure plastics are separate. In the separate pure plastic use different purpose. In case to use another purpose, same metals and plastics are both adding and some chemicals are added, fuels are added to create new products. That is the tertiary recycling. The last is quaternary recycling. Quaternary recycling. This process cannot used. This process cannot used nowadays because quaternary recycling means burning process. Burning process. In case the waste plastic, in case fire or burning to release the some waste gases, to release the some more amount of plastic gases are released, which gases are harmful gases, harmful smoke. It is affecting the environment or it is affecting the air. The air pure oxygen concentration is decreased because the oxygen combined or react with smoke elements, chemicals to create pollutions. So this process cannot be used nowadays. Why? Because quaternary recycling means burning process. In case the waste plastic is burning to release the smoke and gases, harmful gases. It is affects the plants, affects the human beings, and affects the aqua fishes like aqua animals and different types of birds. So it cannot used nowadays. So in case this process are used to increase the that area pollutions, increase the pollutions and the burning area spread, and also some crops are also polluted. So this process cannot be used. So nowadays only three types of process are used. Okay, na? The main process tertiary recycling. So 90% countries or industries to follow the tertiary recycling because e-plastic waste modified and to design new plastic items by adding different types of chemicals, different types of fuels based on the which chemicals, which fuels are used based on the to design the another plastic items. Based on the design articles, we add the chemicals and the fuels. So primary recycling means reuse process. It is also called reuse. One plastic items, one person used. It is dumping the outside. Thus the same bottle is used other persons. There is the reuse. All same persons. For example, I used water bottle in the drinking purpose and also used in the some plant growing foods. So there is the reusing process. Cannot change the waste to product. Second recycling process means the waste to convert into product, but some characters are improved. So 20 rupees water bottles to change to 50 rupees water bottles, or 50 rupees water bottle to change to 20 rupees water bottle by adding or remove the characters. So that's why change the characters. Tertiary recycling means it is the most important recycling. Okay, different types of e-waste cannot rise up to only pure plastic. The plastics and the waste type of steel or the copper, metals, different types of metals are also available. It is cannot easily melt at low temperatures like the plastic natures. So it is to first of all to separate that parts, that means pure plastic and the metals or steels. Then after adding the chemicals like fuels to create new items, both are combined or separate new items. There is the tertiary recycling. Burning characters means quaternary recycling. This process cannot be used nowadays because it is the involve energy extraction process by burning and incineration. So that means collect the energy. Energy means heat. Energy means heat. The plastic is burning to produce heat. The heat is transferred to steam to produce electricity and to produce current. There is another process. There is another characters. but in the process, energy collecting process, compulsory to burn the plastics. In case to burn the plastic, heat is also produced. But at the same time, how much amount of heat? It is not necessary, but also to produce waste smoke. Waste smoke are harmful gases. Harmful gases. That's why this process cannot do. This is the recycling technology or recycling of e-plastic waste.